How would Japan protect the dramatic decline of honeybees? Honeybees play an essential role in the world's food supply. The United Nations Environmental Programme states that bees pollinate 70% of the 100 crop species that account for 90% of the world's food. And the economic impact of pollination is estimated to be $577 billion per year worldwide. In recent years, however, numerous cases of mass disappearance of honeybees have been reported around the world. If left unchecked, this could affect crop quality and use, eventually causing a serious food crisis. For this reason, honeybee protection activities and research are being conducted actively in many parts of the world. But in Japan, activities to protect bees are not widespread. We interviewed Shohei Kanari, a Japanese honeybee breeder and educator in Oami-Shirasato City, Chiba Prefecture, about the current situation of the rapid decline in the number of honeybees and efforts in Japan. Causes of the rapid decline in the number of honeybees in Japan. Forests, which provide a favorable natural environment for honeybees, are currently in decline due to a lack of nectar sources, the cutting of thickets to make room for solar panels, and the impact of fallen trees caused by wind and flood damage. In addition, neonicotinoid pesticides and herbicides used in rice cultivation also have an impact. 3 neonicotinoid pesticides, which are believed to disrupt the nervous system of honeybees and prevent them from returning to the hive, were banned entirely in the EU in 2018. France banned all of them in the same year. Japan, on the other hand, has lagged in this regulation. Varroa mite disease and Acarapis woody disease in captivity are also major problems. In particular, the Japanese honeybee, a native species, has not been able to successfully eliminate the Acarapis woody, causing significant damage. Activities to increase the number of honeybees in Japan. In 2018, Kanari opened a basic beekeeping course teaching a wide range of topics from honeybee ecology, honey standards, and medicinal properties to beekeeping guidance. About 300 people have taken the course so far. Although few people have actually captured and kept honeybees yet, reports of successful beekeeping are steadily increasing. However, while the current method of keeping bees is easy for people to do so, its structure makes the bees use unnecessary energy. The burden of cleaning the hive is particularly high in its current form, especially the energy loss used to nip hive debris and dead fellow bees and carry them out of the hive. In nature, on the other hand, this is less likely to occur. For example, when nesting under eaves, nest debris falls to the ground as it's not handled by the bees. In addition to the activities of individual beekeepers and researchers, it is also important for national and prefectural governments to develop projects to restore natural forests suitable for bee habitats. For example, abandoned farmlands and vacant houses are increasing every year in Japan, and it is possible to increase the number of nectar plants by making effective use of such areas. Nara Prefecture is working with the Bee Forest Club, a non-profit organization, as a prefectural project to create a forest environment where honeybees can live. Recognizing the importance of bees is the first step. Kanari believes that the lack of awareness of the important role that honeybees play in human life is why activities to protect honeybees are not progressing in Japan. The lack of activities to protect honeybees in Japan means that the protection of the native Japanese honeybee is a more serious issue than that of the Western honeybee, which is being studied worldwide. Now is the time to expand conservation activities through close cooperation among different stakeholders, including government officials, researchers, organizations, and individuals.